Hi, I'm Kate and welcome to Schoolhouse. This is the boarding house for the boys from Year 10 to Upper 6. If you want to follow me, we'll go for a tour around the house. So in here we have the lobby. It's a lovely open area where the boys like to come at the end of school and congregate just for a chat, decide what their plans are for the evening and talk to the boarding staff. We also have two common room areas, and if you come this way I'll show you where they are. In here we have the games room where they can have a good game of table tennis or a tournament, some pool or some foosball. We have some great seating area for the boys all to come together. They have their evening meetings in here, but we can also have a good film night where we like to invite the other boarding houses down to join us. We also can have a good match on the TV where the boys all get involved. We have another common room which I'll show you, and it's just through here. It's a well-used room which is nice and cosy and homely. The boys love to have the computer games options here of Xbox or the Switch. We also have the tables in here so that the boys can do their studying, but also on a Friday and Saturday night they love to get a takeaway and all come together and eat. We have all the boys here to show who's in the house. Throughout the school we have over 40 different nationalities. In the house the boys are all one community. It's like a big family. Down here we have the duty room. This is where you will find me in the day, and this is so if the boys ever need anything or just want a general chat, they can come in here, pull up a chair, chill out, see how their days are going, have a cup of tea and just somewhere that they know an adult will always be. So in here we have the kitchen. The boys get to use this whenever they need to. They like to have a light snack of an evening where they will make themselves some noodles, a toastie. But yes, after their 3 meals at Oakview of the day, they're still hungry and like to hang out here and make themselves something. It's a great space for just socialising. We also have the dining room side of it, where it's a multi-used room. We use it for studying and for food. We like to have as many boys as we can studying downstairs, just so that they've got the help that they need. It's a nice space where a lot of the boys come together as a whole family. So down here we have a nice space for the sixth formers to be able to use. It's our quiet room. It's where they can come on study leave or study periods and use this room to do some nice quiet studying and just have some chill out time. So that was the downstairs of the boarding house. Let's go upstairs and check out their bedrooms. Here we have our activity board. This is the activities that we like to run on the weekends for the boys to be able to join up to. If they don't wish to do an activity, they can always use the grounds that we have at Leighton Park School. We have 65 acres with football, tennis, a gym, a pool, or even go and use the music centre to practice their music. This is one of the rooms where the Year 10 or 11s may have a room like this. They also have a studying space, wardrobe and plenty of storage under their bed. We like to try and mix the different nationalities so that everybody comes together as community and is one big happy family. So this is our second floor where the sixth formers' bedrooms are. Come with me and we'll have a look at one. Usually the boys would get their own room. As you can see, like the others, they have their bed and lots of storage. We like them to make it as homely as they can. Home from home is the aim that we are going for, with their own bed and cushions, teddies, or stuff even on their desks. It's a nice place for them to study, chill and have a good night's sleep. Thanks ever so much for joining me on our tour. If you would like to see more of Leighton Park School, the boarding houses and everything else we have to offer, please do contact our admission team. Thanks ever so much again. Hope to see you soon.